Oh my god, this bird nest just fell. And there's an egg. I have to save it. Okay, it took me 57 minutes, guys. That is embarrassing because I've been crocheting for 2 years. Do it! Yes. What do we think? I cut my hair pretty freaking short. Yeah, I think it's short hair summer, okay? Anytime I grew my hair really long, plus I dyed it black, I feel like La Llorona. Like, it just felt too scary. Yesterday I was kind of like going through some withdrawals. I was like, I know I wanted it short, but is this... Anyways, I didn't even do my intro. Hold on. Hello! My name is Destiny. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning to me, thank you so much. Today we have a pretty fun upcycling project. I haven't really been sewing. I've actually started to sew this bikini, but I keep messing up. I got really lucky and I found some designer pieces for free. Apartments, they started to do like this community swap in the trash room, and people started to leave like their donated clothes. My boyfriend went through it and we found this Burberry sweater. This is Burberry Golf. It's a size medium. I don't know if any of this is real, okay? The label looks pretty real. The quality feels pretty nice. It's like heavy. It has some pockets. Okay, it's pretty big on loose fitted. I kind of want to cut it down the middle, add some buttons, and make a cardigan. I can even do like a step further and like tighten it. And then also, hold on. So it's also kind of long. So I would kind of want to cut it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Look how big it is on me. I'm hoping once I cut it down the middle and then I have to like obviously hem it and then add the button, so it's gonna like kind of bring this in. I want to keep the pockets because that's convenient for a cardigan. Somebody also left behind this Alexander Wang bag, and it just like makes like the perfect beach bag. Like, I could see myself at the beach. I'm not planning to like do anything crazy to it. I do want to give it like a nice little clean. I also have, let me show you. I also have these Dolce & Gabbana jeans that I've already upcycled into a cute bag. I added this lining inside, but the thing is, it broke right here. So I think I'm gonna add this to my to-do list. There's coins in there. Whenever I was able to carry it around, I did like it. I have this cute like lace at the side, and then it has the Dolce & Gabbana tag on the outside. I didn't make any pockets for the inside, so that would have been nice for me to add, but it's kind of already too late for that because I literally had to take the whole waistband out, then add the lining, and so that it looked clean. Like most of the time when people are doing these projects, they don't do all that, but I wanted it to look pretty clean. Plus I didn't want to cover up this tag. This project was easy, but if you guys have some old pair of jeans that you want to fix, literally it's just about cutting them off, sewing them in the bottom, and then adding the line. I came for a walk with the cutest little baby. He's trying to walk me. Okay. Okay, I am back and I finished hemming the bottom and the opening for the cardigan. Now I have tried it on and I need to take in the sleeves. They just look too baggy. This part is really like an eyeball. I'm gonna just like sketch it out and I'm just gonna hope for the best. Day 2 of working on this cardigan. I did the first arm. If you can see how much I'm gonna be cutting off, I have to do it again to the second arm. But I was looking at my YouTube channel right now and I noticed I lost some subscribers, and I think it's because I announced that even though my popular videos are of me dog sitting, that I don't really want to make my channel about dog sitting. I'm just guessing, okay? For that, honestly, I'm sorry that I lost you, but I just definitely am taking the route of what I want to do, you know? I'm hoping that, I'm praying that that brings me my audience. I picture my audience being like crafty girls who love Jesus, who love just chit chat videos, who love comfort people. Ultimately, that's all I want to be. Okay guys, I think I got it. Oh my goodness. Okay, if I fuck this up, not fuck this up. Maybe I'll practice one more time. When your thread falls out of your needle. Why I oughta. You guys, my needle fell out. My needle fell out. And I was already sewing on the cardigan. Oh my gosh. Did I mess it up? I'm about to go get my nails done. And to show off, I fixed the belt loops on the bag. I added this cute little crochet charm. So the only thing that I need to continue to do, I need to figure out how to install this like metal magnet clip, and I'm gonna use it to close it. So if I need to like cut a hole into the lining, like if I messed that up already, I have to figure that part out. But I mean, it's such a like unique bag. I feel like, especially for like right now, I'm not going anywhere fancy. You know, it's just like a good everyday bag. Okay, I have finally finished my brand new cardigan, but I have the Burberry headband and the matching cardigan. What I love about the sweater is that it already came with pockets, so I was able to keep the pockets functional. Now the sweater feels a bit tighter. You can see it kind of like curves in to my waist. The hardest part was the buttons, okay? The buttonholes, not the cleanest. Like they all kind of look different. Whatever, it's okay. It was my very first time. I'm keeping this sweater forever. The entire outfit cost me, let me think, $2. I paid for the thread and I paid for the buttons. I got the sweater for free and it just cost me my time, really. This is incredible. I have a brand new sweater, you guys, like a cardigan, a designer cardigan at that, okay? If you have never thought of vlogging, I mean, upcycling, sewing, whatever, let this be your sign. Stop buying fast fashion, to stop following every single freaking fashion trend that literally you're gonna be rid of in the next like year. Pick up a skill that no AI and nobody, no robot is gonna take from you. You can literally get a whole new wardrobe. Like this is, to me, like this is all worth the blood, sweat, and tears that went into this, because like I was getting so frustrated, especially with the buttonhole. Like It took me like 2 days to really like figure it out. Like seriously, I can't stop smiling now that it's on. I need to be invited somewhere. Like I need to go to New York. I need to do something. Like I need to like get into school. Like I don't know. Like this is it. This is my whole new personality. Burberry. Yeah, my Burberry. Yeah, my Burberry. Really do not buy myself like designer stuff. I have the very first designer item that I ever had was actually Burberry. I bought glasses, but the little like Burberry sign, like it was like a little tape that went around the glasses and it just like fell off. I can wear this to the library. I can wear this to go get a coffee. I'm obsessed with it. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much. Bye.